Hey, honey, it's date night. What do you want to do?
I don't know. What should we do?
Hi, guys.
Hello.
So we were asked to do a collab with Date Night from around the world, around the globe, Dancing with Color. So Alan and I have our little wine glasses. We're going to do a pour on a 16 by 20 canvas. And we're going to, I think I'm going to intermingle them.
Okay.
Okay?
If you say so.
All right, so we have to decide on colors, which could take us a long time. So we're going to cut right to the chase, and you guys will see what we're up to. See you in a bit. Okay, so we have our colors picked out. We're going to be using just plain white. This is our new Seafoam, part of our Coastal Summer line. This is Lucas Gold Bronze, which I absolutely love. This is the Praj Posse Juniper Shimmer.
You sure about all that green?
Sure, we'll make it work. Praj Posse Deep Lagoon, Praj Posse Champagne Shimmer, and the Praj Posse Moody Blue. This will be our contrast. Maybe it'll break up some of that green. So let's pour our cups, huh? Alright, so we'll start with a little bit of white. Are you going to do the same as me?
I'm following your lead.
Oh, but it's date night. So we both pour different, so this may come out different anyway. So we are doing this with a bunch of artists. Amy's Acrylic Artistry is up after us, so that link will be right below. And then I'll link all the other channels as well. I'm the first to start the premieres. So once you watch me, then you can go right on to watching the others. They are 30 minutes apart though, so I'm not sure if everybody will do a 30-minute video, but we will see. Now we're doing a 16 by 20 canvas, so we need to have a lot of paint. I really love this juniper. It's a very pretty color. I don't know if you guys noticed our aprons. They're really cute. Right?
They're cute.
They're cute. I think we need one more round. I hope you're putting them in order.
Of course I am.
So it's white and Seafoam. And then the gold bronze, I think. Juniper. Deep Lagoon. Got lots of paint. Champagne Shimmer. And Moody Blue. I might kill this bottle. How come your cup's fuller than mine? You must be a heavier drinker.
I need more paint. Uh-oh.
That's good. I just washed all the bottles, so we're good. Alright, so Alan's going to flip his canvas, and I am going to intermingle mine with you. So we are going to bring the camera down to the canvas so you can see what's up. Be right back. Okay, so I think we're ready. He's got his wine glass full of gorgeous colors. This ought to be interesting. I really like these colors together.
This ought to be
It's a lot of paint. But it is a 16 by 20 canvas, so we have room to play. And we do have silicone in all of our paint, so we will get lots of cells. Wow. That's pretty. Alright, so it doesn't ding now because they're so full. He's gonna go ahead and do a flip cup. I don't know which way you want to go. I wouldn't pull it straight up though. Maybe push up that way a little bit and then pull back, since we have so much paint.
You ready?
Yeah. Ooh. Pretty. Alright, so this is going to be fun, because watch what I have to do now. You can leave that on the corner. I'm going to flip my cup into your puddle. Stand back, Babalu. Ready? I don't know if I'm ready. Alright, so now I'm going to intermingle. Ooh. Fun. Look at that. Pretty.
Kind of liking what's going on in here.
Yeah, that's neat. And I love the juniper and the seafoam there. That's pretty too. We should let the paint dry in these glasses and save them like that. Alright, let me torch it. We'll tilt it together, because it's heavy-ish. So we need to come this way a little bit with paint. Go ahead and grab your side and pull it this way.
Do you want to just towards the bottom or towards the corner?
Well, towards the middle. You want to keep the paint in the middle. You know better than that. You paint with me every Monday. We do this every Monday night, guys, at 9 p.m. Eastern time on my channel.
Yeah, but we have differences of opinions.
We do.
With how
It's
to
so pretty. I'm glad we put that moody blue in there. It's a great contrast. Okay. So now I'll bring it back to the middle, and I'll do my side, and then you can do your side. How's that sound? We have a lot of paint to play with, so once we get it off the corners, then we can decide what we're going to keep and what we're going to get rid of. We've never done a painting together before, have we?
We'd have to go back and check.
We may have.
I can't recall. God, I'm gonna lose this here.
You'll have to copy it.
There is a lot of paint on there yet.
You got it, babe. You're fine. We just don't want to lose the dark stuff because it's all our contrast. Careful here, honey. There you go. Let me get my corner while you put it down. We can pick up and put something there. Ooh, that dark band.
What about it?
I love it. But we have to lose some of it. It's just too much paint on the canvas.
Should I take
You want
it
me to step
straight?
over?
Take it straight off now?
Where's your paint at? Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could probably do that. Slow and steady, huh?
That is what I do best.
Are you admitting you're also a procrastinator?
Absolutely not.
Looks cool.
No, you don't want to lose that dark band. You lose a little of it.
Well, do what you gotta do. Just try not to dump it off of there because I can pull it back this way. Because I still gotta get some more paint off of there.
Corner right there. Take a little more off.
Got one spot on this side here that needs paint. You're gonna lose that dark if you do that. So I will touch it when you're done.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm not really digging that corner. Only because it's banded. It's what I call the cuppy hand corner. Well, let me pull it down a little bit. There's still a lot of paint on there. I love that gold bronze in there though. Alright, I'm going to get rid of all of that little bit of dark blue. The moody blue. That looks good right there. It's earthy, isn't it? It's really pretty. Alright. Lots of cells. Let me torch it, see what we've got. See them little bitty ones popping up?
Mm-hmm.
That's good because they're all light colored.
Hit that right there.
Yeah, just move your glove. I might get you. It is kind of... There's one there too though, so it's not all by... Oh, I see that one had cells. It'll probably change because there's some popping up now. Yeah, I really like it. So I will give you guys a close-up and talk to you when we're done with that. So guys, thanks for watching. It was a great date night. Did you have fun?
I did. I had fun.
Cool. Thank you, Sandra, for including us in this collab. Hope to do more with you. But we'll be back with the dried results. Thanks for watching. And go check out all the other artists, please. I'm sure you're going to see some great paintings today.
Thank you.
Bye now.